MAZ pipes. Working on stage 1 and stage 2 pipes. We got a controller here. This is our first prototype controller. Automatic muffler, set on muffler, press for 2 seconds for loud. This is your loudness gauge. We're going to add a little more to it. And then that's going to get hooked up to stage 2 mufflers, MAZ 2s. And these two are going to go together and going to make it loud and quiet and loud and quiet. Push the button. Loud. Somebody sees you, hears you. Shut her down. Back to mufflers. It's a Triple C create. We'll just chill out, and when the tire gets back here, we'll fill you in.
How about I find a sewing needle, I'll throw it in the ditch, and you guys go find it?
That is sketchy.
Do you see what I got to deal with? Throw a sewing needle in the ditch of grass and look for it for fun. Does this look tell you anything? We'll see you in a little bit. Triple C Creations, short notice, tool, engaged. Well, no, just done. So we did that test and everything with the 83, the MAZ first stage, MAZ 1 pipes, and just show with the controller and everything so you know what it sounds like. And I'm hoping that my design on the MAZ 2 pipes is going to be a decent sound in the muffler side and hopefully a lot louder on the straight pipe side and the automatic side. So it was getting late last night. I wasn't up for it anymore. So it's the next day. We had to finish up some touch-ups on the MAZ pipes. And we're going to try to put them on now. So I'm just getting the shop warmed up. And yeah, these are the MAZ pipes. There's those ones there. Oh, we hear our friend the train again. So that's the gif of it. The controller, right? And then that all tied together. I just gotta plumb up the little jump lines on the valves, and then I can put it in the truck, and then we'll fire up, and then you can hear what it sounds like, and hopefully it works. I don't know what the straight pipe sounds like. I just know what the muffler sounded like a little bit, holding it up on the tailpipe when I had the straight pipes turned on with the MAZ ones, and we had discovered that if the exhaust comes in from that side, it's a bit of a higher tone coming out, but on muffler, but if you hook it on this side, it's a bassier sound. So I think I'm going to put the bass side on first. So they are reversible because the baffles that I put inside go about 3/4 of the way in, and then it changes the whole airflow when it goes in and out. One side goes through and out the back, and I believe because it's coming in this side, it's got that whole 4-inch chamber to bounce around in, and that makes it a little more bass in it. So let's get these lines rigged up, and then I'll get the truck back in here and make a little room, and we'll slap them on, and then we'll give her a shot. Let's go turn this heat on and get a little warmer in here. It's still a little chilly. I can still see my breath. One day we'll get a hoist. Make this way easier. This truck sits up. So these are in good shape yet. It's got to be around 2000K or so. All still hanging together. Let's pop this off and let's get the other ones on. Oh. Well, they're on now. It's dripping on me here. So I got the MAZ 2s on. They're all clamped up, plumbed up. So next thing is to do is put the controller on, pull her outside, and see if it actually works. Well, I guess we're gonna pull the truck out. We'll try out the exhaust, get it outside the shop. Pull the 16.3 gallons of gravel and crap out of my eyes so I can actually see again. Got too warm in the shop and it's actually melting everything off the truck now. Whoa! Blinding lights. So once I can see, I'll get her out the shop. Okay. Got the whole 16 gallons of gravel out of my eye. Well, it might be a gallon and a half still in there. Anyways, the pipes are on. I got the controller sitting in here, hooked up for now. The old MAZ pipes, the original MAZ 1s are in here. So the MAZ 2s are on. So let's give her a shot here. Okay, so we're going to leave it on automatic. Now, it should fire up, and it'll probably give a little bark at the exhaust and then go quiet. When it's on automatic, it'll go from straight pipe and instantly to muffler. So let's try it here. Shut that off, wait for the buzzer. Okay. Oop. Okay. So now we are on automatic. Okay. Now mufflers. Button down, 2 seconds. Now she should be straight. Okay, I got the MAZ 1s, the first prototype pipes here. This is the valve on it. This one's running a single valve. I'm going to compare the gauge to the valve, and you'll get to see how this all works together. Just the MAZ 2s use 2 valves, which work opposite from themselves, but this should give you an idea. Load her up. You can see the gauge go down, the loudness gauge. Vacuum's going down, and it's opening it up to straight pipe. Muffler traps the vacuum. Nothing. Hit the loud button, bleed it off. There. Well, I think the pipes worked. They're definitely louder than the stage 1s. The stage 2s I think is a better setup. I I don't know if the camera, like the video sound picked up. It's a little louder in person personally, but whatever. So that's where we're at. So I think I'm going to run these. I'm going to run them on the truck, see how they work for a while. And I really think I'm going to try to make more of these. I'm going to refine them a little more, make them a little more clean. But I'm liking where the MAZ 2s are going here. So honestly, somebody wants to try to put them on their vehicles and try them out. That's the idea of this now. I want to see them in the truck, and I want to make them kind of compact. There's going to be stage 1s for somebody who really doesn't want super loud, and stage 2s, which somebody, likes loud. Yeah. I'm going to put that on the channel here and see what you think of this video. And I got a kind of a web store. No, it's not really a web store. There's a link that should be below. If you go up, I got another store that I'm trying to work on, get going. It's not stocked yet. I'm going to put some Triple C Creations MAZ, kind of like merch. I got some stuff like cup holders. I got a light box. I got some signs and stuff like that you can hang up, and a couple other things. We got a couple other projects going on. I got a few more ideas to build. Shop Dog will be on there again. When Shop Dog's done, we might put him up for sale, and we're even thinking of possibly making some little miniature versions of him. So we're working on that. So yeah, there's going to be another page link to this eventually channel that you could go to, and if you want, if you really like it, or you like the logo, or you like the channel and stuff, and to support it all, help the channel, yeah, some merch, buy that up. Gonna make some more projects, some more stuff, little miniature statues, whatever, just things to help get going along here. I mean, everything doesn't have to be big, massive 5 years in the making. So yeah, if you like it, hit the like button and everything else. Subscribe, help me along here, help the channel along. I can do more of these videos. I can put out more videos then and get more projects going on the road, get them more going faster, get things done. Hit subscribe, hit the bell icon so it'll notify you when the next uploads come up there. Hopefully we get some more going here. The weather's getting changed here. It's warming up, and I'm getting antsy to get going on some of my outdoor projects again. So I got a bunch in the yard here I really got to get back onto. So yeah. So this is MAZ, and yeah, I guess next video and everything else when it comes out. So yeah, bye.